As the enterprise continues to grow, the number of stored goods keeps increasing. Replacing paper shelf labels frequently is troublesome. Employees spend a lot of time and effort picking items from numerous shelves. How can we manage warehouse shelves more efficiently and scientifically? To address this, Minew has introduced a targeted solution: the Minew Smart Warehouse Solution. Centered on low-energy ESL electronic shelf labels, integrated with MinewTag base stations, smart cloud platform, and a range of IoT devices, this solution upgrades warehouse management through digitalization, and it unifies goods management and real-time process tracking, enabling smart, digital, visualized, and fully traceable warehousing. Smart shelving. Upon arrival, goods can be rapidly scanned and linked to shelves, enabling real-time synchronization with the system. Location management. Seamlessly integrated with warehouse ERP, MES systems, the solution allows remote one-click updates of ESL display information via PC, mobile dashboards, while real-time inventory data is automatically synchronized to shelf labels. Smart item lookup. With one click, the corresponding zone warning light turns on, and the electronic shelf label flashes its LED, making item location quick and easy. Smart picking. The button. Function of the electronic shelf labels. Assist in real-time order picking. 7-color LED lights indicate item status, fast and accurate. Environmental monitoring. Linked with temperature and humidity sensors, the system enables 24/7 environmental monitoring of warehouse conditions. Issues alerts when conditions exceed thresholds, supports mobile login for easy operation, and synchronizes data in real time. Asset management. Asset management tags monitor key assets, enabling remote tracking of usage and real-time location. The MinewTag Smart Warehouse solution creates a truly integrated IoT ecosystem, connecting goods, devices, and system platforms. It effectively addresses industry pain points, improves warehouse efficiency, and reduces operational management costs. Empowered by the Internet of Things, it drives industrial digitalization and intelligence, helping enterprises reduce costs, improve efficiency, and operate with greater agility.